Let's discuss cubic polynomial has 3 zeros. We have already discussed cubic polynomial has 1 zero and 2 zeros. Now we are talking about 3 zeros. So see this example, p of x equal to x cube minus 4x. I will take x values. If x equal to 0, p of 0 equal to 0 cube minus 4 into 0, 0 minus 0, which is equal to 0. Point is 0 comma 0. Next, if x equal to 1, p of 1 equal to 1 cube minus 4 into 1. 1 cube is 1 minus 4 into 1 is 4. 1 minus 4, which is equal to minus 3. Point is 1 comma minus 3. Next, if x equal to 2, p of 2 equal to 2 cube minus 4 into 2. 2 cube is 8. Minus 4 into 2 is 8. 8 minus 8, 0. So point is 2 comma 0. If x equal to 3, p of 3 equal to 3 cube minus 4 into 3. 3 cube is 27 minus 4 into 3 is 12. So 27 minus 12, which is equal to 15. Point is 3 comma 15. And if x equal to, take negative values, if x equal to minus 1, p of minus 1 equal to minus 1 whole cube minus 4 into minus 1. Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. Minus into minus plus 4 into 1, 4. 4 minus 1 plus 4, which is equal to plus 3. Point is minus 1 comma 3. If x equal to minus 2, p of minus 2 equal to minus 2 whole cube minus 4 into minus 2. Minus 2 whole cube is minus 8. Minus into minus plus 4 into 2 is 8, which is minus 8 plus 8, which is equal to 0. Point is minus 2 comma 0. If x equal to minus 3, p of minus 3 equal to minus 3 whole cube minus 4 into minus 3. Minus 3 whole cube is minus 27. Minus into minus plus 4 into 3, 12. 27 minus 27 plus 12. So it is equal to minus 15. Point is minus 3 comma minus 15. So we have these points. So let's plot the graph. Take graph paper. So draw x-axis and y-axis. This is x, x dash, y and y dash. So on x-axis, scale is 1 unit equal to 1. On y-axis, 1 unit equal to 2. Because see this y values are something big numbers. So I have take 1 unit equal to number 2. So points are 2, 4, 6 and so on. So let's plot the graph. First point is 0 comma 0. 0 comma 0 is, this point is 0 comma 0. Next point 1 comma minus 3. On x-axis 1, y-axis minus 3. So this is minus 2, minus 4. In between, this is minus 3. So this point is 1 comma minus 3. Okay. Next point 2 comma 0. On x-axis 2, y value 0. This is point is 2 comma 0. This is 0 comma 0. Next point is 3 comma 15. X-axis 3, y-axis 15. So in between 14 and 16, this point is 15. So 3 comma 15 is this point is 3 comma 15. Next point, minus 1 comma 3. X-axis minus 1, on y-axis x-axis minus 1, y-axis 3. Minus 1, y-axis 3. This point is 3. This point is minus 1 comma 3. Next point is minus 2 comma 0. On x-axis minus 2, y value 0. So this point is minus 2 comma 0. Next minus 3 comma minus 15. On x-axis minus 3. On y-axis minus 15. So this point is minus 3 comma minus 15. So join these points. The graph is something like this. So see this graph. This graph is x cube minus 4x. So this graph touches on x-axis is at 3 points. So number of zeros of polynomial x cube minus 4x is 3. Number of zeros 1, 2, 3. So this graph touches 3 points. So number of zeros are 3 and zeros of the polynomial x cube minus 4x function is, this graph touches 3 points. They are minus 2 comma this value is 0 and next point is 2. Minus 2, 0, 2. Okay, this is the cubic polynomial has 3 zeros.